This is Insta360 GO 3S, and today I'll show how you can schedule the video recording or photo capturing, or actually, to put it in other words, how you can use the timed capture feature on this device. In the beginning, take your action pod and power it on. Now, swipe downwards from the top edge of the display to open the control panel. Here, scroll to the second page, look for the alarm clock icon and tap on it, or actually that might be just a regular desktop clock. Anyway, open the timed capture, preferences, and now you can switch this feature on. Here, or off, respectively, of course. Here, set what time you would like for your shooting to start. You can also select what shooting mode will be enabled and what specifications the shooting mode will have. For example, for video, you can change the, all usual video recording properties: stabilization, duration, ratio, resolution, and frame rate. You can also adjust the shooting parameters or, use the camera pro mode and set those parameters to, match whatever expectations you have. You can set the field of view for this shooting, the tilt fix option you can also switch on or off for this particular shooting, and also manage its repetitiveness. And as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.